look for the future and also the manufacturer solution, especially for the Singapore market. We also benefit a lot of the overseas clients, especially from the Southeast Asia, also join for this exhibition.
This is our first time participate in MSE. So far, we are pleased with the value, the quality of this trade show. We can get more contacts from the MSE into our partner and the customers.
The reason is we participated before in MSE, I think in 2015. We have implemented our other robots through MSE in our clients' places. We hope to improve this productivity through robotics for our new product here today.
We are glad to participate in the MSE event for 2017. We get to tell you our one-stop solution to help achieve Industry 4.0 and smart factory concept.